Here are the tools needed.
In assembling the drill, here's the step. Layouting. Draw a line for a guide for each side of the door. Then, measure 6 cm and mark an X on the center spot of the doorknob hole on each side of the door. Next, dimple the target spot on one side by hammering a nail onto the X or fitting a jig centered on the X over the edge of the door to direct the hole saw. Now, screw a 2-in-1-inch hole saw to a mandrel, a spindle with a collar to attach the hole saw. Take your time so you keep the drill perfectly perpendicular to the door surface. And now, drill also the other side of the door. The same goes for 12 cm to get the best results. And after this result, unlock and remove your hole saw bit and change it into your 7/8 inches paddle bit to your drill. Now, mark 2 cm on center of the thickness of the door for your pilot hole preparation. Now, dimple the target spot onto the wooden edge of the door by hammering a nail onto the marking, fitting on a jig centered on the X over the edge to direct your paddle bit. Depress the drill trigger switch and drill straight into the lockset hole to create a channel for the latch.
So take a deep breath and let it go. Shouldn't be drowning on your own. And if you
And now here's the finished product. Thank you everyone.